Picture a moment from your childhood, a real one, something you can see clearly. Now here is something that should unsettle you. There is a very good chance that memory never happened the way you just saw it, and an even better chance that the person in it, the child you believe was you, is partly an invention. Because your memory does not work the way you think it does. It is not a recording. It is a reconstruction. And every single time you remember something, you quietly rewrite it to match the person you have become. Let me show you how deep this goes. You believe your memories are stored somewhere in your brain, waiting to be played back like a video. But that is not what happens. Neuroscientist Elizabeth Loftus spent decades proving something that shook the foundations of psychology and law. Memory is not retrieved. It is rebuilt. Every time you recall an event, your brain reassembles it from fragments. And in that moment of reassembly, it becomes editable. In her experiments, Loftus was able to implant entirely false memories into people. Getting lost in a shopping mall as a child, an event that never happened. And not only did people accept these memories, they elaborated on them. They added details, colors, emotions. They remembered being someone, somewhere, doing something that never took place. If a false memory can be planted by a stranger in a lab, imagine what you have been doing to your own memories, unknowingly, your entire life. Here is where it becomes stranger. Your brain does not rewrite your memories at random. It edits them with a purpose, and that purpose is consistency. Psychologist Anthony Greenwald described the mind as containing something he called the totalitarian ego, a self that governs your memories the way a regime governs its history. It revises the past to protect the story of who you are now. It quietly deletes the moments that contradict your current identity and amplifies the ones that confirm it. The version of your childhood you carry is not a record of what happened. It is a story edited by every version of you that has remembered it since. Think about what that means. The shy kid you remember being. You may be remembering them that way because you became shy, and your brain went back and rewrote the evidence. The confident child, the troubled teenager, the person you are certain you once were. Each memory has passed through the hands of every version of you that came after, and each one left a fingerprint. You are not remembering your past. You are remembering the last time you remembered it. A copy of a copy of a copy, each generation slightly redrawn to fit who you were becoming. Neuroscientist Karim Nader proved this at the biological level with a phenomenon called reconsolidation. When a memory is recalled, it does not stay stable. It becomes physically vulnerable. The neural connections literally loosen and must be rebuilt before the memory can be stored again. In that window, the memory can be altered, weakened, or updated, and then it is saved over the original. Every memory you treasure most, you have overwritten the most. The moments you revisit again and again are the ones furthest from the truth, because each visit rewrites them. The people who never think about their past hold the most accurate memories of it. And the memories you hold most dear are, by definition, the most fictional. So the child in that first image, the one you saw so clearly, you did not retrieve them. You built them. Just now. Using materials from who you are today. And the strangest, most beautiful part is this. You will never know who you actually were. That person is gone, overwritten by every act of remembering. But the self you keep rebuilding, the one you revise a little each time, is not a betrayal of the truth. It is how you stay whole. It is how a changing person carries a single, continuous life. You were never meant to remember who you were. You were only ever meant to remember your way toward who you are becoming.